Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change a worksheet title font color in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. So the dataset that I'll be using today is going to be the Uber Fares dataset. I'm just going to first drag and drop this dataset into my Tableau Public session. Now that the dataset has loaded, I'm going to go to the worksheet here, highlighted in orange. And I'm just going to drag the dimension key to columns. So now we can see all the years from 2009 to 2015. And I'm going to drag passenger count to rows. So now I can see a graph which is showing me across the years how many passengers there were captured within this Uber data set. I'm then going to give this sheet a more descriptive title. So I'll double click on sheet 1. I'm going to rename this Uber rides passenger count from 2009 to 2015. So that is the new title for this sheet. Right now it's in a default color. To change the color, I can once again double click on the title. I'm then going to select the entire title, and then I'm going to go to this 6 option along the top, which if you highlight over it, it will say color. I'm going to click on this drop down, and there's a whole variety of colors that you can choose from. So I'm going to pick here orange, then click on apply and OK. Now we can see that the color for the title within this worksheet has changed. So there you have it. This is how you can change the font title color within a worksheet for Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.